equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the power plate and cable of the Thermomix TM31. Today, we will walk you through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the process. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, remove the base of the Thermomix. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the base is off, carefully lift the top section to expose the internal components. Here, you will see the power plate and the cable connections. Take a moment to inspect these parts for any visible damage or wear. If you notice any frayed wires or burnt connections, it's crucial to address these issues. Using your multimeter, test the continuity of the power cable. Set the multimeter to the resistance setting and touch the probes to each end of the cable. If the reading is infinite, the cable is faulty and needs replacement. If you're unsure about this step, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. Now, let's clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe away any dust or debris. This will help ensure that your Thermomix operates efficiently once reassembled. Remember, a clean machine is a happy machine. Next, if you need to replace the power plate, carefully disconnect the old one by unscrewing it from its mount. Install the new power plate by reversing the process. Make sure all connections are secure and that there are no loose wires. Before reassembling, double-check all your work. Ensure that the screws are tightened and that there are no tools left inside the machine. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. Finally, reattach the base of the Thermomix by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, plug the device back in and test it to ensure it's functioning correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully repaired the power plate and cable of your Thermomix TM31. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle repairs yourself, don't forget that we provide no calls, no travel service, making it easy for you to get your appliance fixed without leaving your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.